how to filter Instagram likes by authors. To do this, first of all, open the Instagram app on your device. Go to your profile by typing your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Tap the three horizontal line menu icon at the top right corner. From the menu, select your activity. After that, tap on likes. Swipe to the right side. Tap on all authors. Choose the authors whose post you want to filter. Finally, tap apply. That's it. If you like the video, subscribe and stay with us. Thank you.